Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. Hello, I am Mistress Suzette Wickham Knowles, and I will be teaching you mathematics this school year. Let us look at the basic list of supplies. A complete geometry set. Here is an example. These are two of the instruments found in the geometry set. Our protractor, our pair of compasses, then we have our eraser. So that represents a complete geometry set. Notebook, pen, pencil, ruler, textbook, which will vary, and we will discuss. One of those textbooks is STP Book 1, another is STP Book 2, and we have a few more. But we will further discuss in event that you do not have your textbook as we speak. Past exam papers. This is applicable to those students who will be sitting the BJC or the BGCSE. And again, we will discuss what it looks like, a sample of. This represents a sample of BJC past examination papers. We will discuss with regards to how you are going to get what you need. I may have to provide you with some screenshots and post in the Google Classroom. We are going to discuss how we will work on that. But if you're able to get one from someone who would have previously used his or hers, why not? Okay? Do not expense yourselves though. A scientific calculator for those students who are grades 10 through 12. And finally, graph paper. And a sample of the graph paper is, this is what the graph paper looks like. Okay? Not grid lines. This is unacceptable. Not grid lines. This is unacceptable. All right? Graph paper. Again, we will discuss with reference to the graph paper, when you will need to have those papers, and how we are going to work out using it. So do not focus on getting any graph paper at this stage. We will discuss further. Okay? Let us turn our attention to some classroom rules. 1. Be punctual. Always try to be on time for each class. Number 2, be prepared. Always have all of the materials needed for this class. 3, be attentive. Give full attention at all times to the teacher or to anyone speaking. 4, participate. Ask questions and become a part of your learning process. 5, strive for excellence. Always try to do your best. Refrain from cheating or plagiarism. Write down the day's objectives in your notebook. Follow all instructions given. Number 6, in striving for excellence, you may want to consider a few things. These include your classwork, your homework, tests or quiz, and your final examination. Remember, Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Are there any questions? You may message me via my CEC email. Please note, my office hours are on Mondays through Fridays between 2:45 p.m. and 3:15 p.m. So long. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. We got this.